What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Gonna get right into it. Today we're gonna do the 50, 20, 30 budgeting principle, guys. So this one's gonna be a little bit more aggressive with your actual savings and not so much with your actual fun and leisure activity, guys. Gonna get right into it. Got the other video that we just dropped last week doing pretty well. So check that out if you want to get a little bit more in depth on the fine nuances, but we're gonna get into it right now.
All right, guys, jumping right into it. Let's discuss what your needs, your wants, and your savings/investments categories are. So your needs, housing, utilities, car, light bill, all of those types of things would be considered.
Insurance.
Yeah, those are all of your needs. All right, now that we get to the category of your wants are entertainment, clothing, jewelry, any frivolous thing that just is a monetary value that you really don't necessarily need. You just enjoy its presence or you just want it. And then next we have your savings/investments. This is your savings account, your emergency fund, your Roth IRA, your traditional IRA, whatever type of IRA, investment, retirement accounts that you have. That is that category of what we're talking about.
All right, guys, let's do a full financial breakdown for you. Let's say you're making $3,000 a month after taxes. That puts you at about $36,000 a year. Not bad for someone just starting out. You're not poor, but you still live in the USA. You have that opportunity to make more money. Essentially, you're gonna have $1,500 a month to go towards your needs. Not $1,500 a month just to go towards your housing. Remember, everything's your needs. That includes your car, insurance, all these things. So most likely, you're gonna be still living with your parents, not driving the best car, but something that gets you A to B, okay? Next, going towards your wants. You're not gonna spend crazy towards your wants on your little something, and you're gonna have $600 a month to put towards your wants. Where you're really gonna come up is making a smart move, putting $900 a month towards your investments and your savings, guys. So start right there.
All right, guys, quickly hopping into the realm of you're now making a little bit more money. You're making $5K a month, which translates to around $60,000 a year. So in your needs category, you're going to be at around $2,500. Now transitioning to your wants, you're going to be at $900. And then what you're adding to your savings and investings is $1,500.
All right, guys, now you're gonna be in that six-figure range, making $10,000 a month after taxes, which puts you at $120,000 a year. Now you're gonna have $5,000 a month put towards your actual needs, so you may be able to get a little something better as far as cost of living and driving a nice car. And also, you're just gonna put $2,000 a month towards your wants. So you can't necessarily go buy the whole Gucci store, but maybe you get you something here and there, but don't go crazy, don't fall for that trap. And towards your investment, you're being very smart and very studious and putting $3,000 towards your investment, your savings accounts as well, guys. So guys, as you can see, when you get to that $3,000 range, $36,000 a year, you're still not necessarily living on your own. You may be living with your parents, but you're being smart and studious and putting more money towards your investment account or investment in yourself as well as into your future. And you're doing a little something to hang out here and there, but nothing too crazy.
So now if you're in that 5K range, you're making a little bit more money now. Maybe you got a promotion, I don't know what it is. But if you're in that range, now you have ample enough money to put it towards your needs. You're gonna put a little less money towards your wants and more towards your savings with this rule.
If you're in that 10K range, guys, I'll say this is the perfect balance for you in that 10K range because you're being very aggressive putting more into your savings account, but you're not going too crazy with your partying and your excessive money, part buying clothes, shoes, the liability thing, and you still get to live a nice, comfortable life in a safe environment, being that you can put a little bit more towards your needs, you're still eating good, healthy food like that, guys. So that all being said, guys, between the two budgets, the 50-30-20, the 50-20-30, which one do you prefer? Which one works best for you? Give it a try, let us know. Like, comment, subscribe below. Live eventually, the world is yours.